Hi everybody, welcome to 32S Realty's weekly webinar. This is Sharon Restrepo and I am excited to join you today and as your host and walk you through this week's properties. We have had several closings, so we are down on inventory, but we have new stuff that actually just come in and we haven't even had it hit the site yet. So make sure you stay tuned or give us a call and let us know exactly what it is you're looking for so we can give you a heads-up call before we even post the property. So you can come to www.32westrealty.com. This is the home page. Then you want to click Our Properties, and it will take you to our listings. Our properties are listed from descending to ascending. Well, actually, let me turn that around. It's ascending prices. So we start with our lowest, which is our rentals, and we go up from there. If you need to re-listen to the webinar at any time, or you want to send the webinar to a friend who might be interested in some properties, then you're just going to go to this weekly webinar page right here and be able to re-listen to the one we're recording today. So thanks again for joining us. I want to welcome our international folks who are listening to our pre-recorded message. It'll be tomorrow for them and yesterday for us. All right, so don't forget, we are now managing property, and for those of you who are wholesalers or other agents or interested purchasers, landlords, we are managing property now. We've been managing our own property for years and years as investors, and we are duplicating what we do with our own properties and doing it for clients now. So whether you just need to fill a vacancy because you're managing your own property, or you would like us to fill the vacancy and manage the property, whatever it is you'd like us to oversee the rehab, it doesn't matter. We have a whole menu of services we can offer for you. And so starting out with that, if you are looking for a rental or you have a client who is, we have a great 3-1 villa that has just been painted and tiled. It has a new kitchen. It's really beautiful. It's a 3-1 out near Military and Lake Worth Road in the Jim Cove condos. This is an attached villa, just attached on one side, a corner unit, and it's very cute. You can click View Details on any one of these boxes to view more information about properties, and I'll show you how that works in a few minutes. This property is going for $950 a month. We also have this rental in Lake Worth. It's a 3-1 with brand new Berber carpet, new central air, new roof, nice kitchen, separate laundry room in back, huge backyard, gorgeous backyard, and very private. This is also a 3-bedroom, 1-bath going for $999 a month on C Street. Again, we have for $1095, a 3-2.5 townhome off of Belvedere and Parker. This is the Green Terrace condos. There's a community pool. This is a very nice unit, large. It has a patio, a storage room, and it has interior laundry. The rent includes water and cable. We have another rental for $1150, also in Lake Worth. This is a huge corner lot, a gorgeous 3-bedroom, 1-bath with a covered screen patio. It's $1150 a month. And this one has central air, a granite kitchen, brand new kitchen with granite. It's gorgeous. Nice appliances, very nice home with a shed in the back and a laundry room as well. Okay, starting with our properties for sale, we have one in Fort Pierce where the seller, $29.9, and the seller will entertain owner financing. So whether it is a end user that you have who wants to move into the property, for 20% down, he will hold the financing at an affordable rate and term for the client. Or if you're an investor, you have an investor looking to pick up a rental property with little down, this is the property. It needs very little work. Again, this property was rehabbed almost 3 years ago by an investor who was never able to sell the property, and the property was foreclosed. The investor purchased it from that lender, and he is willing to pass along the savings of the deal. This is in East Fort Pierce. This home has laminate flooring and like I said, was redone. It's very, very cute. We have another great rental property here. This property is another 3-bedroom, 1-bath, and let's see, the price is, Sharon, $39.9. Okay, this is a great rental property. I've been at this property. When you click inside, let me show you where it is. You click View Details and you come inside. I know I'm talking pretty fast, but I want to get to the details and get you guys busy here today so you can go buy these houses. When you come into the detail sheet, if you come up here, you have the different choices you can select. If you click virtual tour, this property does have a virtual tour, and you can see the entire inside through video. It's tiled throughout. The bathroom does need to be sprayed, I think, because it's an old color. You have like a shed type attachment over here, a carport, and it's on a huge lot in East Boynton. This is a great investment property. Then we've got our condo in Lake Terry. This was rented for $14.50. The owner had, when she picked it up, it was rented by the room. This is fully tiled. This property was built only about 10 years ago. It's off Belvedere and Jog and in a community called St. Andrews. And this is a nice community. The typical rent over here is $9.50 a month. It includes your CAM, water, cable, and insurance. And so for $9.50 a month at $44,000, this would be a good investment. So if you have a person interested in that, let us know. We have a brand new property we're featuring here at 3074 Dolan Road. I am actually going over to see this property around 3 o'clock today. If you would like to join me, I will be there at 3074 Dolan Road, 64-9 in Palm Springs. This property will rent for between $1,000 and $1,200 a month, pretty much overnight because it's such a desirable area. It has a one-car garage, and judging from the photos, needs very little work. So I'll be there to see that for myself today, and I'll be able to let you know, if you can't see it with me, what is it in need of. Okay, it has central air, split bedroom. It is a legal 3-1, and we definitely will manage this property. So here you go. You can scroll down when you click in and see all the information. Good school district, very popular area, Palm Springs, as you know. All right. So, and if you want to, just put it back on the regular market and resell it and take advantage of that, you can too. It's a very desirable neighborhood. All right, so we've still got a few to talk about on this page. So that's Dolan. I'll be there this afternoon. 801 Northeast 3rd Street. This duplex is $69.9. It is a 2-1 and a 2-1 rented for $800 a month each side. I will be uploading the photos for this one today. They're being dropped off to me on a disc today. But I did visit this property in person about 2 weeks ago, met the tenants. It's on a huge corner lot. Actually, the corner sits vacant. It's included with this piece of property. This is a CBS building with separate electric and water meters. This is a $1,600 a month income. This is a great property for your investor. Blueberry Hill. I will be at this property at 2:30 today if anyone would like to see this. This is in, let's click here and see, 84.9. We've got good comps. It's tiled throughout. It's a 3-2 with a one-car garage. The recent comps were 137, 140, and 148 right on Blueberry Hill. Central air, large kitchen, desirable neighborhood of, I'm always forgetting, Lee Estates. Okay, so that's the name of the community over there. So if you are interested in viewing this home, I will be there at 2:30 showing it at that time. All righty, let's see what else we've got to see on. All right, let's cruise on over to the next page. Okay, Latona. This is another property that I would really like to sell right away. It is 4 units. They are all 1-bedroom, 1-bath units with extra rooms that are being used as second bedrooms. Every unit is rented for $500 a month. This building was renovated about 3 years ago. It has separate water and electric meters, 4 parking spaces right in front of the building. The homes across the street from this property were brand new, built a couple of years ago, so it's a nice looking street. And the units all have ceramic tile. Every tenant pays their own water and electric. So $2,000 a month is your cash flow, minus about a $30 a month lawn maintenance fee because there's very little lawn here. You have 2 units on the front of the building and 2 units on the back of the building. I've been in 3 out of the 4 units, and the property is in very good shape. The tenants are long-term tenants who want to stay. This property is listed for $110,000, and we will be happy to manage this one. So do a drive-by. Let me know if it's something you want to see, you have an interest in for your buyers, and let's move forward. All right, the industrial warehouse. We've got this for $159.9. The price has just been dropped per the asset manager. They want this property sold. It will be auctioned starting this week. So when we click on view details, we've just updated the information. This will be sold on Realty Bid. It's a 14-day auction process starting this week. This is a 6,000 square foot warehouse yard with a 5,000 square foot building. All right, so realtybid.com, look for that to start. You'll be able to go there and bid on this. The lender just wants to unload it. It's an amazing price, even at $159.9 for anyone who's a contractor or investor. It has 5 office bays, a bathroom, a kitchen, and plenty of open space and room. It sits on a big corner lot, so this is a great deal. I can't even imagine you could build a shell or buy the property for that price. We've got one here that's more on the retail end. It's a 2-2 gorgeous condo on the marina in Hutchinson Island in a community called Harbor Isle. The bank is looking for offers. This is a short sale. They have already done their BPO, and they are very interested in entertaining your offers. Last but not least, we have 92-unit building in Jacksonville at 1.450. This is a great price. It's about $15.5 a door, just under, for a building in Jacksonville. It's about 60% rented, and it cash flows at the 60%. So this is quite a deal. We do have an LOI in on this one right now, and so we're looking forward to moving that property, of course, and we've got another one coming in the Jacksonville area. So don't forget, we also purchase property, so if you have one you're trying to sell or want to rent or want to have managed, please keep us in mind for any one of those scenarios. We have also added a tab called Due Diligence. So if you are interested in learning a little bit more about what it takes to purchase a property and all the different types of things to investigate before buying a property, then this would be the tab to check out. Just more information to help our buyers and our investors. Make sure you sign up and like us on Facebook.com/32SRealty and also YouTube.com/32SRealty, where we are posting and also tweeting on Twitter. All right, so again, check out the duplex at 801 Latona. I will be at Blueberry and Dolan Road today, so if you want to meet me out there today, the 15th of February, then give me a call and I will be there. All right, so I thank you all again for attending, and I look forward to closing deals with all of you, our buyers, our agents, and our wholesalers. So thanks again, and don't forget, this Thursday night is the Floridaria meeting at the PGA Resort and Country Club. Thursday night, our guest speaker is Scott Myers, who is speaking on self-storage investing. So come on out and make sure to say hi. We'll see you guys then. Thanks for attending, and God bless.